loves, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I achieved this wine and olive inspired makeup look. To start off this eye look, I'm taking this deep berry shade in the Amuse Cosmetics Blushing Nudes palette, and I'm blending it in and above my crease with the Start Small blending brush. I primed my lid with the E.L.F Sheer Eyeshadow Primer. Now taking my AOA E122, I'm applying this olive shade from the Nicka Metallic Radiant Eye Palette in Saturn. I'm applying a second layer of that olive green eyeshadow. This time I sprayed my brush with the Magic Collection Rose Water Hydrating Mist to intensify the pigment. I'm using the ColorMates eyeshadow brush to highlight my brow bone with this light tan color from the Blushing Nudes palette. I'm using the E.L.F liquid eyeliner for my winged liner, and as you loves can see, I do not have any tape, no guide, completely freehand, and it came out so good. But the reason I'm not using tape in this tutorial is because in the next clip, I'm going to show you loves this really awesome product by Hard Candy. This is the Hard Candy Stroke of Gorgeous Oopsy-Proof Liner Eraser. It helps to sharpen eyeliner wings as well as get rid of excess eyeshadow, and I picked it up from Walmart for $6. I'm applying a coat of the E.L.F Volumizing and Defining Mascara, and I actually really like this mascara. I especially like how separated it made my lashes look. The false lashes I am applying are the 3D Mink lashes in the style W03, and I purchased them from the beauty supply store for $3. They're a nice wispy lash, thin band, perfect for every day. Okay loves, I know I usually do my foundation off camera, but I wanted to show you the two foundations that I'll be mixing together and tell you loves why I'm mixing them together. Okay, so the first one is the Wet n Wild PhotoFocus foundation in Mocha, and you loves know for the longest I raved about this stuff. It was my holy grail foundation and I still really like it. It's just a little bit too light, and I used to compensate for the minute shade difference by applying extra contour and bronzing powder. So I decided to try out a new foundation, and I picked up the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless in 365 Nutmeg. This is a little bit too dark, so I've been mixing these two together and it's amazing. It's like my perfect shade match. Yeah, so this is what I will be applying to my face today. But before I do, I want to show you loves the primer I used, and it is by Ruby Kisses. Whoa. It is their Never Touch Up Fresh All Day Face Primer. This is a mattifying primer, and it has like it's like a silicone base, so it's really smooth, and my foundation just glides right over it. To blend in my foundation, I'm using the Real Techniques Mini Expert Face Brush. Going back to that deep berry shade that I blended into my crease, I'm now applying it to my lower lash line with the AOA E115. I'm using the LA Colors Drama Lash Mascara for my bottom lashes. I love this wand for my lower lashes because it's so narrow. Now I'm lining my waterline with the Milani Supreme Kohl Kajal in Blackest Black. To highlight the inner corner of my eye, I'm mixing the gold and iridescent green shades from the Nicka Metallic Radiant palette using my E.L.F Small Smudge brush. Using my Aloe F13, I am contouring my face with the Black Radiance Soft Focus Finishing Powder in the shade Milk Chocolate. I wanted a blush that would complement the berry tone on the eyes, so I chose the Clean Color Miss Chick blush in Mauve, and it went perfectly. And I'm applying it with the E.L.F. Essential Blush Brush. For my highlight, I am applying the Wet n Wild Shimmer Palette in Sangria Castles with my AOA F19. I decided that since I don't use my lip liners like at all before I go in with my lipstick, I'm applying the Davis Cosmetics lip liner in the shade number 23. If I can find the link, I will make sure to put it in the description. I'm going over that lip liner with the Ruby Kisses matte lipstick in the shade Aphrodite. Alright loves, this is my completed olive and wine inspired makeup look. I love how this look came out. I think the olive and berry wine colors complement each other so well. And this lip practically matches this eyeshadow. It's so pretty. As always, all of the products used in this tutorial will be listed down below in the description. Go ahead and drop a comment telling me what you thought. And until next time, bye loves!